Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a rolling end credits on a CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do is just go create the new project and make sure that you already got the background video here, so that later you can add a text that roll into this white background. You can choose either white, black, or any color that you want to use as a background. And for the next thing we need to do is just go visit the text down here and go click add text. You just need to prepare the text that you want to add into your screen. So here I will let you type a tongue hex. The text does not appear, it might be because of the color of the text is also white, so you need to change the colors. And after that you can also adjusting the font, the effects, the animation, and so on and so on. But I just want to go with the basics template text here, and I just need to go click this checklist button. So for the next thing we need to do is just adjusting the length of the text, make it appear in the whole video or the same length with the video. And after you got it, make sure that you are bringing this straight line into the beginning of the clip. And after that you just need to go click or drag this text so that this text will be like in the down part of the screen until it's just gone or disappear. And after that you just need to go click this symbols that refers to keyframe, so you just need to go click it. And after that you just need to drag the straight lines into the end of the video, and you just need to drag the text so that they will be coming pop up until they gone. And here is the result. So that's the way, guys, how to create a rolling text on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.